Hi, I'm here a little early, but it's time to get started. It's 4:47 p.m. We're gonna talk about counselor processing. Um, yeah, if you're here, please say hi in the comments. Say hi in the comment. Let me know where you are. If you are in the DC metro area, just let me know where you are. If not, let me know where you are. Say hi in the comment. Hi, Adetola. How are you? Wasla Adetola. How are you? And where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. If you have a question, just please just put it in the comment. We're gonna come back to it. Um, yes, we can get started. I just want to talk a little bit about counselor processing um, because people are just waiting for those interviews. Seattle in the house. Hi, Annie. How are you? Oh, Maryland. Wow, that's what's up. How are you? I am from the DC area, Maryland. I live in Maryland, and I work in DC. But yeah, nice nice to meet you here. Of course, if you have a question, Aditola, you can just put it in the comment. And if you have a question, just put it in the comment. We want to talk a little bit about and please go and like as well, right? Just go and like. We want to talk a little bit about counselor processing and why is it taking too long? What can you possibly do if you have to bring your family abroad? Like family are back there and they have to come here. It's taking too long. What exactly are you going to do? So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. And I'm going to check the visa bulletin as well. Then we're going to give some ideas. Uh, but if you have questions, just put it in the comment, okay? Let me share the screen with you so we can get started. Yeah, we got 5 people already. Just go ahead and like. Please go ahead and like and share so we can get some tractions, okay? Yes, yeah. So if you have a case pending with NVC or you have a case pending, basically cancel processing, somebody's waiting for interview, stuff like that. Well, first of all, those are the 2 websites you're going to be looking at, right? Travelstate.gov and then the National Visa Center website. It's the same website, but I just click on 2 different places, okay? So the National Visa Center, it gives you how long it takes, what's happening right now. But the question becomes, how can I contact them, okay? So the way you're gonna contact them is this, right? You click on the, how do I contact them? You click on the information, NVC contact information. That's why you file a public inquiry form, okay? If you click on it, it's just going to tell you how to file it. Um, you see, it already gives you NVC response time to publish inquiry continue to be lengthy. We ask that you make subsequent inquiry only if you do not receive a response within our published time frame. So how long it's going to take them to respond once you contact them? Well, it gives you here, right? How long it's going to, so current case time frame. As of August 28th, they're working on the case that was, they're working on those inquiries that were submitted on July 19. Okay, so if something was submitted on July 19 and as of yesterday, as of 2 days ago, they're still working on it, which means it's taking probably 1 month, right, to get a response once you send an inquiry to ask them what is the status of my case and stuff like that. Probably 1 month. Okay. So what are they really reviewing at this point? Basically, as of August 28th, we are reviewing documents submitted to us on August 17th. So if you submitted a document to them on August 17th, those are the documents they are reviewing. They're giving you what exactly are they reviewing? Petitioner affidavit of support, supporting financial document, applicant DS-260, and applicant civil document that was submitted on August 17th. So like a week ago. Yeah, pretty fair in terms of reviewing. Um, yeah, and current response, you see. It's the inquiry received. Yeah, current public inquiry form response as of August. Oh, this is good. We're responding to the inquiry received on August 20. Yeah, 1 week. It's not taking too long. Yeah, 1 week. If within 30 days, let's just say if within 30 days you file an inquiry with them, you haven't received a response, you should file back. You should continue to ask them, okay? So that's pretty much what you can do as far as NVC time frame is a processing time frame for public inquiry is concerned. And right now, if you look at here, it actually gives you an update backlog report. This is August 2023, this year, right? This is the basically the updates number of IV applicants whose cases are documentary complete at NVC and ready for the interview as of July. You see the number here? That's a lot, right? Almost 500,000, like 378,475. Okay, and who is scheduled for the interview? How many people? 39,394. Still pending 339 and 81. That's a lot. So in 2019, an average of 60,000 applicants were pending the scheduling of the interview each month. That's a lot, right? Across the board. So they're doing their best. To do what they can do, but what I'm gonna ask, really gonna tell you what exactly you can do, right? So to either expedite your case or take advantage of other programs. So if your case is taking too long with the NVC, you can try expedite requests. Same valid reasons that we try expedite requests here for humanitarian reasons, old age, country conditions, serious sickness, pregnancy, urgent need to travel, stuff like that. You can try expedite requests. You always have to start there. Try it. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, you can always file a lawsuit. That's like bottom line, okay? Really, for unreasonable delay, especially if you're gonna lose something here, okay? If it's a job opportunity you might lose, yes, you should just file a lawsuit. That's it. It's going to solve that problem. Okay. So depending on what type of administrative measures that you took prior to filing that lawsuit, that's why I always advise try with this expedite request first. Okay. Another thing you can do is to, if you are coming from those countries here like Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, Venezuela, and your case is pending with NVC, yeah, you can try advanced parole, not advanced parole, but you can try those parole here, humanitarian parole, and you get here quicker and you wait for your case here. That's what a lot of people have been doing. One of my clients from Haiti tried to talk to me about it. It's another way, right? You can always try. You never know which way it's going to work. So that's what I'm trying to say. So that you can get here faster instead of waiting. Like when I'm talking, if you're here, basically we're talking about your family member outside of the US. So they can just get here instead of waiting if you're coming from those countries. Okay, so let me stop right here. Okay, we got questions. Let's see. Oh, you are here in Maryland. Temitope Joseph Kewusola. Okay, nice to know that. Thank you very much. And thank you for joining us. Annie, how can you call me? If you need a consultation, I'm just going to send you the link. You can schedule it. Yeah, if you need a consultation, Annie, just know that I charge for consultation, okay? But if you have a question you want to ask here, you can ask here. We can just give you the answer right away. But if you call me, just know that I'm going to charge you. The phone number is right here, 202-751-2180. Email is here. But I can just give you the link right here. Let me just give you the link so you can schedule it. Okay? Let me send you the link so you can schedule the consultation. Okay. My consultation is 175, 175. Yeah, that's the link right there. You can schedule it yourself. It's 175, okay? Yeah, let's see this question at the Tola. I have a case denied but filed appeal since 2020. I've never heard feedback from immigration. Yeah, did you file appeal with BIA? Wasola. Oh, you're welcome, Annie. You're welcome. Did you file the appeal with BIA? Yeah, or so like if you file the appeal with BIA, yeah, BIA take as long as they want to take, right? They can take up to, I mean, I've seen cases pending there for 4 years. So 2020, you got 2021, 2022, 2023. If you don't see it this year, probably next year. I've seen cases pending with BIA at least 4 years. I've seen 5 years too, but most of the time, 4 years, you can get, yeah. By next year, you should know something, because they take as long as they want. But remember, we talked about expedite. You can, with BIA too, you can expedite by filing a motion to expedite. You gotta have compelling reasons as to why you want a decision right away. We talked about it in one of my video last week. So that's what it is. But anyway, BIA can take up to 4 years or 5 years. It just depends who's looking at it. And based on the backlog as well. Yeah, that's why it's taking too long. So, yeah. Did you actually like, and did you actually subscribe? Yeah, please go ahead and like and share. That's the most important thing. You need to share so we can reach as many people as we want. Let me see. Let me see first of all how many people just liked. Let's see. Okay. Yes, BIA. Yes, yeah. They take too long. Yeah. Just give it. If you don't hear from them this year, at least for sure next year. Yeah, 4 years or 5 years. 5 years the maximum, but 4 years is kind of like the average. Um, that's just how long it takes with BIA. Again, but if you need to expedite, there is a way to expedite. You just have to file a motion to expedite and give some type of compelling reasons as to why you want the case to be decided sooner. So, yes, any other question? We are just waiting for questions. I don't really have, we're talking about consular processing, really. Most of the time when we talk about a lot of things, we talk about things that are happening here. So, but we wanted to give some love to our friends abroad because somebody was talking about I only care about people living here. No, I care about anybody who has something to do with U.S. immigration. That's it. So that's why we try to talk about processing cases outside. And yeah. So anybody else has a question? Just waiting for questions. We got 5 people in this live session. Please go like and share. We used to have a lot of people from those live sessions. I guess people got tired because of the Biden administration is not doing anything to change the law, do something about this. Yeah, that's why about the reform. That's why people just left. But if you have a question, really strongly suggest that you put it here so we can answer it. I'm just waiting for you to ask questions. Sometimes people, when you do live session, they don't bring their questions. Then they want to call you to ask questions. No, if you call me, I'm just gonna charge you for consultation. So this is the time where we talk for free. Okay. Yes, I'm giving it 3 more minutes. Let me see if there is a news I can share. Just give me one moment. I'm just trying to see if there is a news to share. Yeah, we talked about it yesterday, but I'm gonna talk about it again. Hold on. You need a consultation link. Let me put it in here. Let me put the consultation link here. Yeah, I just okay. Yeah, I just put the consultation link in the comment. What's solar at the toll? I just the consultation link is in the comment. You can see it. Hi Gonzalez, you kind of late. Not late, but because we started earlier today, so we are here. Yeah, we started earlier, a little bit earlier today, and you big on liking. Please go ahead and like. So we are just here. Hi, Gonzalez. Thanks for joining us. We started a little bit earlier. You didn't miss anything really. We're just talking about consular processing, like people can, what exactly they can do, because there's a huge backlog. The waiting time for those interviews outside of the US at the embassy, it's really long. Like I know for Nigeria, for example, people have been waiting for 18 months just to get an interview since their case has been documentarily qualified. So yeah, people, what I was trying to tell people, they can tell their family member, they can try to expedite the request, like expedite their interview. They can try filing a lawsuit. They can try taking advantage of other program like those humanitarian parole program, so they can get here early if it works, right? So yeah. Adetola, did you see the consultation link? It's just right there in the comment. Okay. Yeah. Anybody else has a question? Yeah, I want to talk about this news. I think I talked about it yesterday, but this is big, really. It's big. I'm gonna talk about it again. Let me share the screen here. one more time. I'm going to talk about it again because it's big. Okay. Let me put it bigger. Okay. Yeah, this is the big news. The district court certifies class in action challenging USCIS failure to issue employment authorization documentation for TPS applicant. So there's a class lawsuit action going, right, for TPS applicants. So what exactly they're claiming? What they're claiming is that they want USCIS to give them their right to work when their TPS application is pending. You know how, like, when people apply for asylum, the application is still pending with USCIS, but they have the right to work. So this is the same thing that TPS is asking. TPS applicant is asking. If they win this case, then all the TPS applicant, what's going to happen is from that point moving forward, if you apply for TPS, then you have the right to work instead of waiting until the TPS get granted so you can get your work permit, and then they're still waiting for the TPS to be granted. While they're waiting for the TPS to be granted, you can get your work permit and start working already. So that's what they want. Okay, the U.S. District Court, that happened on August 25th, last Friday. The U.S. District Court for the Western District of Washington granted the plaintiff's motion for class certification and certified, pursuant to federal rule of civil procedure, the class of consisting of individuals who have submitted, okay, you see, all individuals who have submitted or will submit an initial establishing prima facie eligibility for TPS, who have not received the final decision on TPS application, and who have not been issued employment authorization documentation incident to their pending application. So yeah, exactly. They really want the court to order USCIS to start giving them their work permit while their application is pending, which is, I believe, it's a good thing, because if asylum applicant can get their work permit while their asylum is still pending, why not those TPS holders, especially that their TPS is like a legal status, which is temporary, but yeah, they have the right to work, statutory work, right to work while their case is still pending. So that's what is going on. And this is a great news. It's just, it looks like they're going to win, really, because everything they said, it makes sense. Yep. So let me go back again. Gonzalez, where am I from? I'm from the Congo, Central Africa. Uh, can you take case misrepresentation, DS 160 embassy? Yes, any case that has a misrepresentation, we can take. Like, are they trying to apply for a waiver? Yeah, if you watch my previous videos for misrepresentation, uh, waiver can be available, but it just depends case by case basis, who's the qualifying relative in that case and stuff like that. So the short answer is yes, we can do that. But you're gonna need a consultation, because this one we just really have to go deep into the facts and see what can be done. Okay. Okay. Anybody else has a question? Gonzalez, you need to be sending me clients, because you live here in DC, right? You need to be referring your friends. I know I don't speak Spanish, but I can get an interpreter. So you need to be sending clients, okay? Your friends. Okay, we don't have any more questions. I guess we can just hang up for today and come back again tomorrow. You're welcome, Anis. You're welcome. Yeah, I don't think we have like a, if we don't have any more question, I can just hang up and come back again tomorrow. Yeah, and I think next week we're really gonna talk about those immigration courts and stuff like that, because I feel like a lot of people are concerned about things that are happening here, but we wanted to give some people some ideas of things that are happening outside, you know. So because I'm more too into removal defense and those strategies, what to do, why not, stuff like that. So I guess next week we might talk about, if I'm available next week, we might talk about more about immigration court, BIA, and not, why not. You have a lot of friends from Cameroon. No, I'm not from Cameroon, unfortunately. I have got clients from Cameroon. They have TPS, right? So yeah. So yeah, I have clients from Cameroon that have TPS. Okay, what else? Any question? If we don't have question, we can hang up and come back. I can end this session tonight and come back tomorrow. We have tomorrow and we have Friday, so you can bring your friends. Gonzalez, you need to bring your friend tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And Friday, bring them to this live session so they can ask the questions. Okay? Togo, Gabon, no, I'm not from those countries. They're French speaking people, but I'm not. I'm from the Congo. Okay, so I guess that's it for today, right? Nothing else? Yeah, Cameroon, they have TPS, so they should be fine. Okay, this is it for for tonight. Yes, that's true. They speak French. So this is it for tonight. Thank you for coming. You can please share. You can please like, and don't forget to come here tomorrow. You have so many friends in Seattle, Washington. Well, I am here in DC and Maryland. Thank you very much. Yeah, you should come tomorrow and you should bring more people to join the live session. Okay. Yeah, you have friends from in Seattle. Oh, okay. We have one person here from Seattle. I guess some. Oh, and Annie, you're the one from Seattle anyway. So we are here in the Maryland area. So, but we take cases, across the country because it's immigration. Yeah. All right. So this is it for today. We're coming back tomorrow. We did at least 29 minutes. So we'll come back tomorrow. Thank you for coming. Appreciate your time. Please like, please share. Until tomorrow. Thanks. Bye bye.